Hey YouTubers, this is Holland back here with another hair care tip. A simple way to deep condition your hair while you're wearing a protective style. So right now the weather is on the colder side, it's winter, and I've been wearing my wig, but I still like to be able to oil my scalp and keep my hair conditioned even though I'm wearing a protective style. And so what I like to do that's super easy and I don't have to rinse my hair out is I use an oil. So today I'll be using the Righteous Roots Hair RX oil, or Righteous Roots RX oil. But this is my oil of choice that I've been using for a while now, probably for about a year now. I like it a lot. And I don't have to rinse it out. So after I'm done with the deep conditioning, I can literally put my wig back on and call it a day. But also, I'll be trying something new. My friend, she has this heated gel cap and she left it at my house. So I'm gonna be trying it out to see if I like it and see if I wanna get my own. But basically, it's a heated gel cap. You can put it in the microwave for like 90 seconds and then you wear it on your head for 10 seconds and you call it a day. Of course, you'll put whatever deep conditioner you want on your hair and then put it on. And you wear it for 10 minutes and call it a day. And this is also a great alternative if you don't have a like a hooded cap or a heating cap or anything at home. This is also a good idea if you don't have time to sit under a dryer, if you don't have 30 minutes. I am a stay-at-home mom. I barely get 30 minutes to I barely have 30 minutes to myself, and half the time when I do have some time, I'm not trying to sit under a hooded dryer. So we'll try this out. So first step, we take my hair down just so you can see. So I have my hair braided back and straight back, cornrows. So I'll take out the main braid. Okay, and then I'm gonna spritz my scalp and my hair with water. When I'm not wearing my hair in a protective style, I like to deep condition it with my rice water treatment once a week. But since I'm not doing that right now because I'm wearing my wig, this is a nice way to keep my hair and my scalp conditioned. Applying the oil right to my scalp. And then I'm gonna massage it in. I'm gonna get it on my edges too. That's where I've had the majority of my postpartum hair shedding. Go ahead and rub it in. Put some on my ends as well, ends of my braids. So I'm gonna just roll it into a ball. Okay, and I'm gonna go and put the heated gel cap into my microwave on high for 10 seconds. I'll be right back. Okay, so I put it in the microwave for 10 seconds, but that didn't feel warm enough. So I let it play out to 30 seconds, and then I did another 30 seconds. But I opened the microwave every 10 seconds just to check it and make sure. This feels nice and snug. It is a little bit heavy, but not uncomfortably so. All my hair is covered. And so it says leave it on for 10 minutes. So I'll leave it on for 10 minutes and call it a day. I'll leave the name of this. Was it? Looks like it says Tifara Beauty heated gel cap. I'll make sure to note that in the description. But yeah, so after 10 minutes and when I'm ready to get ready for the day, I'll go ahead and put my wig grip on and put my wig on and be done. But if you have any questions, leave them in the comments, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for tuning in.